Sensoryvalue is the first sensory consulting company specialized in food and beverage. Product strategy is what we are dealing in a daily basis. We work with our clients, we help them to define their product strategy, to have winner products, to increase sales, to increase market share in their respective categories. For our internalization, our specialization, our very trained group of people, we are the best option for a company that sells food and beverage in the supermarkets.
Our approach, based on our experience, we have been working on the food and beverage industry for more than 20 years. In the past, we used to be in the other side of the wall, so we always put our mind in our clients. Basically, what we do is we try to identify what we call sensory assets. Sensory assets, from our point of view, are those organoleptic characteristics that can be either from appearance, from smell, from texture, from flavor, but the important thing is that they generate or they confer sensory specificity in a product. It's important to identify sensory assets because they generate a competitive advantage to our clients, and therefore these can be used in their marketing strategy.
We are really focused on clients, and all our methodologies are useful for the objective of our clients. We do not have two equal projects. Every project is different, every project really fits with the needs of our client.
Clients tend to have more focus in brand or positioning, which is a very important marketing mix variable, but the organoleptical point of view, it's really crucial.
It's one of the main questions that marketing people has on the table. So the thing is that everybody wants to have a winner product, and Sensoryvalue helps very much in having this outstanding product.
Some years ago, it was very important the cost-saving projects because they need to optimize their recipes and to be as much optimal as they can. Nowadays, we are starting doing more projects related to innovation, to new launching of products.
We have our Sensor Expert Lab that allow us to identify which are the organoleptic characteristics of a product that later, this combined with consumer testing, we can identify the reasons why consumers prefer one product over the others.
The Sensor Expert Lab is a group of people that is very well trained to define in a very objective way how the products are. And we use those data to combine with the consumer data to understand which are the key drivers, what really drives a consumer to buy a product.
For us, innovation means having different tools, additional tools, and improve our methodologies. We have to offer different products than other companies in our sector can offer, and that's what we do in Sensoryvalue.
Our headquarters are located in Barcelona, but we also have offices in Rome, in Italy, and we are in the process to open offices also in Paris.
Spanish companies are every day more interested in sensory asset because they have discovered that it really brings there a very useful information to find a way to have the best products in the market and to arrive better to consumers. We have different types of clients. Some of them are multinational companies that have offices here in Spain and also in other countries over the world.
We are working with Italian clients, big companies, that really want to extend their portfolio and their presence also abroad, because now all the Italian food and made in Italy is very popular. So we help them choosing the best option they can have to really have a portfolio specific for the country they are going, because now it's not more just exportation of basic portfolio, but developing a specific portfolio for one country. So we really need to understand this in depth through the sensory analysis, through the consumer tests, to really have a very good product for the market.
The market is worldwide. We already have clients for which we work in all the countries in the world. The future of Sensoryvalue is to keep on expanding, and this means that we have to go everywhere in the world. We are so unique doing our business that we have to offer our business worldwide.
We always say, I can explain you a lot about us, but the best thing you can do is just try to do one project with us, and you will see that our expertise really come out from the very beginning until the end of the project. So this is something that for me is very satisfactory. I really like to work like that.